What are the top 10 reasons why mortgage loans are denied? Watch the next 10 slides to find out why you could be denied for a mortgage home loan in Kentucky. And without further ado, here is the list. The number one reason you are denied: a low credit score. Scores below 620 will result sometimes in a mortgage denial for conventional loans. However, FHA, VA, and USDA will consider scores below 620. The number two reason is a high debt-to-income ratio. Simply put, you don't make enough income to support the mortgage payment. Typically, the house payment should not be more than 30 to 40% of your gross monthly income. For example, if you gross $3,000 a month, then your max house payment would be around $1,200. There are compensating factors that will allow for higher debt-to-income ratios, like high credit scores, a lot of money down, or a lot of money in reserves, or a shorter-term mortgage. The number three reason you get denied for a mortgage loan: you don't have a solid 2-year work history in the last 2 years, or you have job gaps over the last 2 years. It's okay to have different jobs, but try and not have any employment gaps over a month or less. The number four reason: you don't have enough money saved up for a down payment, or enough money in reserves to cover the loan payment in case you ran into trouble making the house payment. A lot of programs will offer 100% financing, but you still need to have some money in the bank sometimes. Reason number five: your house doesn't appraise for the purchase price amount or has too many repairs to fix to make it suitable for the investor appraisal requirement for FHA, VA, USDA, and Fannie Mae. Usually an appraisal is marked as is, with a value or subject to a value. Reason number 8: you have a recent foreclosure or bankruptcy that has not been discharged long enough to get a new mortgage loan. Reason number 7: you have inconsistent income over the last 2 years that shows you not making a stable income. Reason number 8: you have too many large deposits for cash that are not sourced from an eligible source of funds to use for assets for a mortgage loan approval. Any cash deposits will not be allowed and throw up red flags. Please keep all deposits from cash out of the account and make only deposits from eligible sources. Reason number 9: you open a new debt that was not disclosed on the credit report or loan application, and this can cause a debt-to-income ratio issue on your loan. The credit report is pulled and is usually good for 4 months, so try not to open any debts during this time. Last but not least, reason number 10: you failed to disclose inconsistent information on the loan application. For example, saying you worked 2 years at a place but realizing you only worked there 18 months. Second example, you pay child support and did not disclose it on loan application. Third example, your income is not consistent over the last 2 years. Contact me today via email at kentuckyloan@gmail.com or text or call me at 502-9053-708. Important compliance information. This article is for educational purposes only and should not be considered credit or legal advice. Loan requirements, FICO score minimums, and program guidelines may change. Always confirm eligibility with a licensed Kentucky mortgage loan officer. This website is not endorsed by the FHA, VA, USDA, or any government agency. Licensing information for author of this video: Joel Lobb. My NMLS personal ID hash is 57N16. My company NMLS ID is number 1738460. Licensed to originate mortgage loans in Kentucky only. Equal housing lender, www.nmlsconsumeraccess.org. Joel Lobb is licensed to originate mortgages in Kentucky only.